Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Chainlink from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto trading or just managing your assets, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Chainlink is a popular token for smart contracts, and transferring it between exchanges like Crypto.com and Binance is a common move for better opportunities. But don't worry, I'll break it all down for you in simple terms. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Binance and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's 2025, so expect some updated interfaces, but the core process remains straightforward. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and select Chainlink from your list of assets. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Click that. Next, switch to your Binance account. Go to your wallet, find Chainlink, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct network, like Ethereum for Chainlink, to avoid any lost funds. Pro tip: in 2025, Binance might have even more advanced options, so look for any specific instructions on their site. Now, back on Crypto.com. Paste that Binance address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave some for network fees. They can vary, so check current rates first. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Once sent, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to show up on Binance, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. If anything goes wrong, contact support immediately. And there you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. Always prioritize security, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.